Hello everyone, this is Minh. Today video I would like to show you how to change measurement unit from inch to centimeter or other format. As you can see, I have a ruler right here, so it 1 inch, 2 and 3 or more. So if we zoom out my work, my paper have only nearly 7 inch, right? You can see, go to view and antique ruler to hide it and to show, and view and take the ruler. You can see here 6 plus centimeter. So let's change it to centimeter or other, not inch, for example. Then go to file, option, and then we click advanced and keep scroll down to here, display section, and you see show measurement unit in unit of. So basically it inch by default. You can change to centimeter or millimeter, point or pixels. It depends on your unit, but mostly I use centimeter. So just press OK and then see, boom. See, both sides use a centimeter, so you can draw a shape or picture and make a measurement. You can know how big is it. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in comment.